I'm exploring the edge of the Arctic, hunting new photographs for my collection in an area that's virtually guaranteed to get you shots of a lifetime, and that is winter in Alaska. Although atmospheric and crazy beautiful mountains are hard to take your eyes off of, I'm looking for the smaller details, the inner spaces of Alaska. Obviously, I'm talking about the ice caves and the narrow crevasses of the Matanuska Glacier. And here we go into the heart of the glacier. Oh my gosh. Wow. I have never seen anything like this. Here we are, all the way to the back of an ice cave. And this is the craziest part. Have a look inside the ice. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. That is one of the most fascinating and beautiful things.
So glaciers are masses of snow and ice, and they flow down gradient throughout the melt season. This glacier happens to flow at approximately, on average, 80 meters per year, and it experiences about 90 meters of melt per year. But what's interesting about the flow of the glacier is it means that those features are always changing and forming on the glacier. Throughout the summer and throughout the winter, the ice is flowing approximately 20 centimeters per day. That opens up new features over the course of a week, and sometimes in 2 or 3 weeks or even a month, those features can be closed and new features can open. These beautiful caves that we go inside of in the wintertime, we can start going inside the caves early in the winter, and they can be 2 feet wide, and we can crawl inside and walk almost 50, 60, 100 feet inside the glacier. And throughout the course of the winter, sometimes at different rates, sometimes over the course of 1 month or even 2 months, the glacier can start to close sufficiently that your backpack is now rubbing against the wall.
Today I decided to drop a little south of Anchorage here in Alaska to come out and see Byron Glacier. And up on the glaciers for the past couple days in Matanuska, it was beautiful weather. No wind at all, light flurries, a lot of ice, really cold. But today, way different story, way different cave. This is an ice cave here that you can tell is way different than the ones that I was in on other images and other trips. And as you can tell, if you can look outside the cave, it looks like a blizzard right now. So I'm actually kind of taking photos in here and taking refuge in here, shelter, and hopefully that'll clear up some, because I also have to cross streams to get back to where I need to go. So anyways, have a look around in here. Very beautiful, very fragile, and it makes me a little nervous to be in here right now too, because the longer I hang out in here, the higher the risk, of course, you are of having these caves collapse.